Have you ever wondered how a drone can fly so smoothly, hover in one place, or return home automatically? Think of a drone as a flying computer. Just like our body has a brain, eyes, and muscles, a drone has components that work together to make flight possible. The flight controller is the drone's brain. It continuously receives commands from the pilot or an autonomous flight plan. To know where it is, the drone uses GPS. To understand its movement and orientation, it uses sensors such as accelerometers and gyroscopes, collectively known as the Inertial Measurement Unit, or IMU. The flight controller combines all this information and adjusts the speed of each motor hundreds of times every second. By speeding up or slowing down individual motors, the drone can move forward, backward, left, right, rotate, climb, descend, or simply hover in place. Power for all these components comes from the battery. So, the basic workflow is pilot or mission to flight controller to GPS and sensors to motor speed adjustment to stable flight. Flying is only part of what makes drones so powerful. Mounted underneath the drone is a high-resolution camera attached to a 3-axis gimbal. The gimbal keeps the camera stable even when the drone moves in windy conditions, allowing it to capture sharp photos and smooth videos. When you take a picture, the camera sensor captures light through the lens and converts it into a digital image, similar to how your smartphone camera works. For video recording, the camera captures dozens of images every second, typically 30 to 120 frames per second. These images are combined into a video and stored on the drone's memory card or streamed live to the controller. Now comes the exciting part: artificial intelligence. The camera continuously sends live images to an onboard computer or a ground station. AI models analyze every frame to recognize objects such as people, vehicles, buildings, trees, roads, animals, or power lines. Many advanced drones also use LiDAR, stereo cameras, ultrasonic sensors, or infrared sensors to measure distances and avoid obstacles. Once an object is detected, the drone can automatically follow a person, track a moving vehicle, avoid collisions, inspect bridges or power lines, monitor crops, or even assist in search and rescue operations. So the complete process is camera to image, processing to AI, model to object detection to tracking or decision making. Modern drones are much more than flying cameras. They are intelligent flying robots that combine robotics, sensors, GPS, cameras, computer vision, and artificial intelligence to perform tasks that were once impossible. Thank you for watching. I'm Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on AI, project management, and emerging technologies.